very heavily. People in Assam is now talking about AI. Youth of Assam is talking about many new things. If you go to an area, if you go young students in Assam, their questions are completely different. My appeal to the media that come out the way Assamese youth has come out from the prism of those days. It is high time for media to come out from the prisms of 70s, 80s, 90s. Jodi ami hey prism tur pra ulai na ho, very fast social media will take over our print media and the television media. I'll give you a small example of last 1 week. When I speak about accident, Assam media will not cover me in the front page. Durghotanat honkha badhise komise, Assamor manuhe, Assamor media will not give me the space. Because for them, accident badhise, how it matters. Because 70s, 80s, 90s, it matter no korisile. Assamor GDP badhise na nai media kane important news no hoy. Dine ratiye, Jagirodot, Nikha 3-4 leke L&T light jolai kam kori ase semiconductor industry. Gari loi joa manuhe gari rakhai tat sai, it has become a tourism spot. Kino Assamor media etia leke tak dhoriboi pora nai je what is happening. Tar pholat ki hoise, ekebor khoru kotha loi, jetia moi Facebookot jao, my viewers shot up to 1 crore. Ejon Assamor Mukhyamantri eta Facebook live 1 koti sporkho korise. And what was the content? Very small content. Je 1 tarikhe ei employee transfer portal eta mukoli hobo. Next, je accidentor honkha komise 31 tarikhe apun driver jone ontoto mot khabo na lage. Third, যে অসমত আমি এডভান্টেজ আসাম কনক্লেভ কৰিম সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ দৰে আৰু কিবা আনিব চেষ্টা কৰিম that was the last 3 content. These are the 3 content 1 to 3 of my life, last Facebook live. Na political, কোনো কংগ্ৰেছক গালি পৰা নাই, কোনো পলিটিক্যাল কথা কোৱা নাই। এই তিনিটা কন্টেন্টত মোৰ ফেসবুক লাইভ has touched 1 crore. কিন্তু অসমৰ মিডিয়াক যদি মই মাইকত পাওঁ অমুক মন্ত্ৰী অমুকৰ কি কৰিছে অমুকৰ কি, those questions still persist. Those are question of 70s, 80s, 90s. হেকাৰণে মই কওঁ যে যুগৰ পৰিৱৰ্তন হল. You are not living in প্ৰতিদিন's যুগ now. You are in semiconductor যুগ now. I am not blaming anybody. Society has changed. Now, Assamor সমাজ জীৱনে নতুন কথা শুনিব খোজে যে মোক এতিয়া প্ৰশ্ন খোজে দাদা মেট্ৰো কেতিয়া আহি আছে। কুৱেশ্যন কৰা ল'ৰাজন অসমীয়া। কেইদিনমান আগতে এজন ল'ৰাই মোক সুধিছে, I got an idea from him যে তামিলনাডুত ডিফেন্স কৰিডৰ হৈছে, ইউপিত ডিফেন্স কৰিডৰ হৈছে, অসমত আৰ্মিৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি ইকুইপমেন্ট আছে, ইকুইপমেন্টবোৰ মেৰামতি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে লক্ষ্ণৌত লৈ যায়। অসমত আৰ্মিৰ ইকুইপমেন্ট বিলাক মেৰামতি কৰাৰ বাবে আপুনি আমাৰো কিয় নকৰে? অসমীয়া লৰাৰ প্ৰশ্ন। কাৰণ চাইনিজ বৰ্ডাৰ হোৱা কাৰণে ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰ্মিৰ হাইয়েষ্ট ট্যাঙ্কস, হাইয়েষ্ট ইকুইপমেন্টস has been deployed in the northeast. ট্যাঙ্কটো বেয়া হলে ভাল কৰিব ক'ত লৈ যায়? তামিলনাডুত লৈ যায়, ইউপিত লৈ যায়। এজন লৰাই মোক কৈছে, অসমীয়া লৰা, যে আপুনি এটা ডিফেন্স কৰিডৰ কথা প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰীক কক আৰু এই লজিকটো দিব যে ট্যাঙ্কটো আনাৰ নিয়া কৰোতে কিমান সময় যায়। তাতকৈ অসমতে যদি এটা ইউনিট হয়, and I am very happy to say that I have seized his suggestion, and today government of India is almost মই কৈছো has decided to grant a defense corridor for state of Assam. So আমি সেইটো মানসিকতাত গৈ আছো। I think Assam media, the drastic fall down of circulation is a very big concern for me. One of the Assamese Ohomia Battery Kakot vernacular battery kak, it has started the circulation of complete 1.5 lakh. Today that paper circulation has come down to 25,000. I don't want to name any newspaper, but it is a matter of concern for me. Because print industry gives employment to thousands and thousands of people. Otherwise, we will be hijacked by social media. Ohomor guttek eta television combined together. 4 bosor agor viewership and ajir viewership you compare, it has drastically come down. People are moving to YouTube, people are moving to Facebook, people are kali moi eta digital advertise dibo lage Ohomia notun bosor khubesa. Moi digital marketing agency eta khudisilu je moi to dim kiman manhok reach koribo. Bole sir apuni muk diok 50,000 rupees and your greetings will reach 3.5 crores accounts in Assam. Tana aji Ohomot 3.5 koti Facebook accounts hoise. I am deeply concerned about the future of media in Assam. We have to reorient ourselves. We have to reflect the society. If in 1970s and 80s we have reflect that society, today we have to reflect today's society, today's aspirational society. We cannot keep on reflecting the societies of 70s and 80s in 2020s. It has resolved. Now you cannot create a disturbance between Assamese and Bengalis because people has decided to resolve it. These was issues of my generation. But for my son, it is immaterial. For him, semiconductor is important. For him, defense corridor is important. So I think you have asked me, that is why I have replied. Otherwise, my to reply need you later. But it is a time for us collectively to strive that print and television sustain in Assam. And when the industry flourishes, government goes after journalists. We will create housing, we will create facility, we will create everything. And when industry is not flourishing, then we will go to the other way. We will see who is the YouTuber influence. Today, all the state governments collectively, they are coming out scheme to incentivize YouTubers. Government of UP has come out with policy. Government of Maharashtra has come out with the policy. Je YouTuberok ami incentivize koribo lage. 20,000 uporot hole iman toka. 1 lakhor uporot hole iman toka. The advertisement is coming out from the print and television media to the social media. This is not a matter to be celebrated. Etu eta sintar bikhoy. Moi bhabu je television and print media in Assam has to come out from the prism of the agitational mindset. It has to reflect the aspirational society which today my children, your children represents. Agote Ohomot sorkari sakorit poisa diya to mamuli kotha asil. Aji Ohomor lorai ki proshno kore je OMR khon release kori dibo ne nai. Since the jetia kunoba APSC chairman asil, jene tene bhal hoi gole porikhato teolok santusto. Etia Ohomia lorar adbhut proshno moi adbhut koisu, teor kane prasangik. Moi metric porikha disu. Answer ki to muk diok. Ami পঢ়া দিনত এটো যদি খুদু আমাক মাষ্টৰে পিটিলেহেতেন তুক বেটা তুক প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ লাগে এতিয়া it has become a demand in social media যে you have to upload the answer key আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে answer key আপুনি আপলোড নকৰে আপুনি সঁচা বুলি কলেও না মানু সচ্চ বুলি কলেও না মানু I have been forced to release the answer key second বলে নহয় আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ কৰিম answer key You have to give us space to challenge the answer key. People taste politician to this extent. Aru ebila kono UP lora swali nohoy. Karnataka lora swali nohoy. Ohomia ami khar khua boli jitu ko amar lora swali amak force kori ase. Je you unlock answer key. You give the OMR. Proshno muk ghorot loi ahibo diok moi ghorot bohi answer key logot milam. 70 পাম নে 80 পাম ময়ে নম্বৰ দি লম পিছত যদি কম পাও মই ধৰিম This is the changing mentality of our society. So, moi bhabu, I am nobody to advise, but I have every right to express concern. I think that Disya Saibya Madhyame hok print media jodi ami relevance prasangik hoi thakibo lage, ami ajir manoshikotak protinidhitto koribo lagibo. 1.5 lakhor paper ekhon 25,000 loike nami aha. হেতু অসমৰ মানুহৰ কাৰণে এটো আনন্দৰ বাতৰি হ'ব নোৱাৰে It is a matter of great concern গতিকে মই ভাবো যে we should collectively think about that and we should represent regarding housing journalism yes মই INPR ministerক কম আপোনালোকৰ লগত কথা পাতি আৰু কিমান আমি সুবিধা দিব পাৰো in next budget we will definitely address that